Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Amazon reviews for your site in Wix. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you're gonna click on it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company, and one of those widgets they have is an Amazon review. Now just click sign up for free. And when you're gonna sign up for free, you can sign up with a Facebook or Google, really up to you which one you choose, and just write your email password. When you will have it, just click login. Now here in applications, I will just write Amazon. And you can see it here, Amazon reviews. So here, I can see the reviews widget or grid. I choose the reviews widget because I like it the most. Continue with the template. Now, you're gonna just paste the product URL here. Just choose the product you want to have here. English, okay. Then you get filters here, layout, how it looks like. You can go from the list, Amazon grid. I will leave the list on review. Nice. So here, just click save. And when we have it, you need to choose the plan. You can start with a basic or pro. There's 5,000 views or 50,000 views, $10 a month. Or you can go with the light version and there's 200 views. So test it out. And if you like it, just pay those $5 and you're good to go. And you can use it as much as you want. So let's go here. Let's click add. HTML. Nice. And also I will show you something that you can go with all applications. So enter the code, update, and voila, here you got it. And it's perfect. So now when I would go to preview, and look at this, amazing. And you can check all the Amazon reviews, but of course you can choose different template for it. And what I wanted to show you that you got a lot of applications here that which you can choose and that you can play around it. So that's kind of it. Check it out, which you like, which you don't like, choose as you like. And yeah, if you have any questions or about how to use the template or how to use different templates, I'll be really happy to help you and stuff like that. You know how it works. And yeah, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.